Now let's see how to round off a number in Excel. The basic method that normally you'll be using, you'll go to the home tab. Then under the group number, here you have decreased the number of decimal places. If you click it, number of decimal places will get decreased. And if you click this one, number of decimal places will increase. Today I am going to show you how you can do the same task using the formula. The formula that you have to use equals round, open the brackets, select the number, then insert a comma. If you want the final answer for one decimal place, here type 1, then close the brackets and hit enter. In same way, if you want it for two decimal places, type 2 and hit enter. In same way, if you need it for three decimal places, type 3 and hit enter. This is how you can use the round formula. Suppose if you want it for the nearest whole number, here you can type 0 and hit enter. Here now you are getting it for the nearest whole number. This is how you can round off a number in Excel using the round formula. Now let's see how to remove these unwanted extra spaces which is there between the words. So if you are going to do this one by one, it will take a lot of time because you will not have only one data in your Excel sheet. So how to do this task easily? There is a simple formula that you can use.